Yay, my portfolio is finished. I'm here in Google Slides and I'm going to show you step by step how to make a PDF document of your digital portfolio so that you can upload it into the discussion so we can all see your portfolio and you can get it graded. So here's my finished portfolio. I'm going to click on it. And once it opens, I'm going to go up to File. Click on File, look for Download, and then PDF document. There it is. Now it's going to make a PDF document for me. Sometimes it takes a minute or two to do it. You can see over here I've got my cover, my title page. I even put some contents of this portfolio in mine. And I've been really clear how I've labeled it, just so you know. And here it is up here. I'm going to take it and drop it onto my desktop. There it is. Now I'm going to go to the discussion for the final portfolio. Here's that place where you're going to post it. So I'm going to go to reply. I'm all done. Oops. Well, I had some questions to answer, but this part is just about how to upload it. When the box opens, I can put my answers to the questions there, which are, by the way, right here. I can actually even put them in. And now I'm going to come up here to this bar and look for this page, which is all about documents. And I'm going to click on Upload Document. Gonna go to my desktop, pick up that PDF of my portfolio, and drop it in there. Submit. It takes a few minutes to upload. And there's one more thing I want to show you what to do, which is I want to make sure that I think I might just put my name up here on the title. And then we're down here where it says display options, preview inline. Yes, we want that, but we also want this one. Make sure you click this one, expand preview by default. That means it's going to open it automatically so that when someone clicks into the discussion, they're going to see your portfolio. They don't have to do another step of downloading it or clicking on anything. It's just going to automatically open. And here it goes. It might take a little minute. Oh, post reply. There we go. And here it's going to show you. Now we can just scroll right through and you can check it out. This is the sort of dummy art portfolio that I made to sort of model for you what the portfolio should look like. I put in some contents just so that I remember and I'm clear about all the things that need to be in here. And I've made really clear what numbers are. Like I need 5 blind contour line drawings for the first sketchbook. I'm going to grade these sketchbooks in this digital portfolio, by the way. And then all the projects. And make sure that you get all the photographs in there. 1 page for each photograph. So for the found object prints, remember we did 3. So there's 1, and then there's 2, and then there's 3. You need a separate page for each one. Okay, now you're ready. Now you know what to do. All right. Hope it works.